Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how we can use GoToMeeting in like really few steps, and like everyone can use it, how simple it is. So what you want to do is just like, you're going to be in GoToMeeting and we're not going to use the application yet. I just want to show you what you can do. The first thing is that you can actually create a meeting and just add a meeting title, online meeting room, like which is going to be the never expires, so anyone can join, or one-time meeting that you can just add like when it's going to happen. Then you can choose the audio, the personalization, how the meeting is going to go, and then also add co-organizers here. So this is how we can do it. It's like pretty simple and pretty easy. Now to go even further, when you have it here, you can join meeting in the right top corner by just adding the ID, which is going to go meet me / and just add here. So when I'm going to do this, I can simply join. Also, what you can do, I recommend, is checking out my profile and changing the profile photo and name, also language and time zone if you want to. And these are the things that for the start that you can do. When we are going to do it now, I will just add here and I'm going to join. And what will happen that automatically a new tab is going to open. And now you have options to use, but app.gotomeeting, or just download the application. I just recommend downloading the application and just using it from your computer. So I'm going to open the GoToOpener because I already installed. Okay, let me just close. Yes. So I leave everything. Now I will just join here or just start meeting. Let's go again. Yes, open. Damn. Start. Let's see if it's going to work out now. It should probably. Oh, we have it here. So, okay, so it's starting. Now, the first thing what is going to happen is you're going to see, you will join with your camera off. So I can turn on the camera and now you will be able to see me. Or you can turn on the GoToMeeting without the mic. Now, okay, I'm ready. What you can do now, I will show you. So I'm muted. You have camera here to turn it off. Then you can share your screen. This is like pretty easy. When you're going to click on, you can choose or application. Again, up to you. When you have it, you can also record the meeting on the left top side. And then you're gonna see people here who's talking. You're gonna see everyone here, that you can see everyone, or just you can hide everyone. If you have multiple people in GoToMeeting. Now, then you have like people here. So if you're an organizer, you can actually invite people. And then you can like mute all if you don't want to hear anyone speaking. And then you can unmute all. Then you have a chat here where you can write with people. And then you have like settings where you can change your webcam and where you can change your microphone settings and speaker settings. And it's like pretty easy and pretty easy to do. So then you get like 3 more options. When you go to settings, by the way, you're gonna see also this open preferences. And then you get like start up automatically after I log into Windows, start it up, meetings, and you can edit it as much as you want. You can choose the audio here and test it out with these like green bars here. Change the webcam and also edit the webcam. So like this is pretty simple and pretty easy. And this is pretty much it. Then you can just like simply leave the meeting. And if you have any questions, just ask me down below in the comments. I will try to help you if I know how. And yeah, so have a great day, guys, and goodbye.